Good morning from a very sunny Thorpe Park. It's an absolute gorgeous day. I'm back here to check out the Fright Night construction updates and any other updates around the park and get back on Hyperia. So let's jump through security and get over the bridge and into the dome. Alright, let's go. Here we go, Hyperia in the background over there. Alright, let's go. Alright, just gone about 10 past 9 and we're waiting for the main gates to open. So, wonder how long that will be. Normally they're open by now and they let us go and wait in the dome, but they must have changed it or something. So, just have to wait to see how long we are waiting out here for. Alright. It is just gone 20 past 9 and the gates have finally opened. Still not a fan of the AI artwork, but we'll go with it. Here we go, guys. Hyperia. We'll tell you what, look at the old Saw Alive building, eh? Just sinking away. Sooner or later, the bottom of them stairs are going to be underwater before much longer. I wouldn't want to walk out of them doors anymore. I wonder how much of the scenery is still left inside the building. But yeah, we've got about 40 minutes now until rope drop. So let's join the crowd and get over the bridge. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to Theme Park Jake's UK. Oh, how nice would that be right now? Living his best life. Right, I didn't realise that the Thorpe Park Marathon was happening today as well, so congratulations to everyone that managed to complete it and everything. I believe there was one happening yesterday as well. But we're literally just waiting here in the lower dome. Literally just waiting here in the lower dome. Waiting for the doors to open so we can get out, and our first ride will be Hyperia. Yeah. Alright, we've only got about 7 minutes until these doors open. Everyone's waiting. So everyone is going to be racing towards Hyperia, but I'm going to be taking a slow walk because I don't run anymore. Here we go. Oh. As I said, I'm not running, but everyone else is. Crazy.
Everyone's going to Hyperia.
Yeah, I'm not running. We'll be back over here in a bit for a bit of an update. But yeah, fucking madness. It's absolutely carnage. Know where everyone is running to. We've got some cool updates coming from the Crows of Meadow as well in a little bit. They have done a lot this year and the layout has changed again. So I'm really looking forward to that. absolutely madness. We thought we had the Thorpe Park run this morning. Everyone's joining in. Alright, time to enter the Hyperia Plaza. Deadbeat over there.
Early in the morning, have a bake. 5 minutes.
Cloud9 treats. Everyone seems to be piling into the main queue, so let's go. Guys, we're just waiting in the queue line for Hyperia queue line. Looks like we may get the first train of the day. Fingers crossed. But they've let us into the queue line, and the trains still have the dummies on them.
With the cats.
With the lids on them, so they've still got to do a few test cycles to empty the dummies out. Which means we're going to get a bit wet.
It's a hot, nice day.
Yep, it is going to be a nice day.
21 degrees.
It's a shame Rumba Rapids is closed. May have to do a tidal wave just before I go home later.
Rumba Rapids is now shutting the summer of September for the season.
Oh, they've changed it.
They've updated the motorway.
Oh, okay, so maybe Rumba Rapids isn't closed yet, but we'll...
No, Rapids is. Conga Rapids, that's how it is now. It's closed for summer of September.
Oh, you're really confusing me there. See, can't get the correct information from anywhere, can you? Surprising. This one doesn't have any dummies on it, so I wonder how it's gonna work. Let's hopefully it makes it over the outer bank. Still not a fan of the netting because it gets in the way. There we go, and into the brake runs. So this train has the caps on it and the dummies. Here we go, guys. First into the station. Thank you very much. And we have got row 1 on the first train of the day. And to the select station, look. Oh, I can't wait. Row 1.
First train of the day.
3. For someone who didn't even run to the ride, I've still managed to get row 1, which I think is fantastic. All them people who ran to the ride, and I'm still first on. That's quite good going. Here we go, guys. Row 1. Oh, look at that, the cattle pen's all full up over there.
As soon as you're sitting, please pull down your lap box quickly as you can. The train is ready to leave.
Well, that was row 1 completed. Oh. Ouch! Ouch! That is a long queue. Nearly 2 hours long. I haven't seen the Hyperia queue this long since opening day. So how mad is that? A 2-hour queue. Right, where's our ride photos? Let's have a look. Oh, there we are. Right. We're now just about to, oh yes, the vinyls. I did want to buy one of these, but I ran out of money before payday. Not bad. Some of the stuff you can get on there. This one is 98 out of 236. So they haven't sold that many. So who could maybe see a price reduction on these soon? But they're still doing the spend £10 in the Hyperia shop and get a pair of Hyperia wings for free as well. Yep, the snow globes that I showed last time. Nothing new really here. But yeah, look at that. I haven't seen the queue this long since opening day.
Yesterday it was.
Crikey. 100 minutes that's saying, but that is literally the whole entire queue is completely full up, and it comes all the way out here as well. So I think before we go back on Hyperia, we're going to go and check out some of the updates around the park. So come and join us as we go and check out the Fright Night construction for 2025. Let's go. Right, so we're going to start our Fright Night construction update with Deadbeat. So you can't really see much, but there may be some new let's have a zoom in and see if we can see any new posters. Inferno one's a new one. Can't get. It's got a date on the end of it as well, at the bottom of it, so I can't quite work that one out. But yeah, I don't know that I've done too much of it. May try and get into the Colossus queue line in a little bit. But the entrance sign has been up all year. They didn't bother taking that down. Don't worry guys, I'm not going to fall over this fence again like I did last time. Nice loose fence. But yeah, the slammer pit is literally just looking overgrown now. Oh, what's this? I haven't seen these ones before. Wonder what happens if you actually call that that number. So there's a few different. Oh, Nemesis is missing, and so is Jack Silkstone. No. Oh, there's quite a few people missing that. Case numbers and everything. Yeah, got no trespassing signs, like it's all been closed and abandoned off. Wonder if I can move this leaf so I get a better look at the sign. That's a bit better. But yeah. Yeah. Deadbeat venue closed. No trespassing. So could we be getting a slightly different storyline this year as well? Because last year it was all based on an open nightclub. This year it's closed. So we could be seeing a different storyline. Yeah, Fright Night starting the 3rd of October. There goes Colossus. Right, on to the next one. Actually, have you got your phone on you?
Yes.
Call that mobile number and see what happens.
What's it? 07?
07341 61995.
You've dialed an incorrect number. Please check the number and try again.
Oh, okay. So don't bother trying to ring the mobile number because it doesn't exist. Right, on to the next place. Right. Well, looks like we're still waiting for the trailer's sign to go up. But we got nothing's really changed along around here. Oh, why am I zoomed in so far? Yeah, it doesn't look like they did some work on the ramp, but then nothing seemed to happen of that. So maybe that could be the new exit or some sort of like disabled entrance or something. But even though there's a ramp down there, but I'm looking forward to this one again. So yeah, so they've added the LED strips around the sign. We're just waiting for the main trailer's sign to come up. Right, it doesn't look like they've started putting the stage up for Lucifer's Lair as well. So this is this area up here is where Lucifer's Lair is going to be. Was last year. So hopefully in the next week or two we'll start seeing the stage get put back in, or unless we're not having a stage this year and we're going for something completely different and a revamp.
I think there is a stage.
Okay, so yeah. So normally by this time last year we had the stage up. Well, the stage was up because it was Oktoberfest last year. Oh no, so a lot of people say that that's where like the exit of Death Doors used to be, through these gates, but I can actually confirm that is not true. Death Doors actually came through this section here and actually came out just here. This area here that everyone is talking about is literally just a back of house little area. This is where all the deliveries come in for KFC and all the deliveries for the arcade as well. If you need some shade, come and check out the cool arcade games. Very quiet in here. Yeah, KFC in there. Right, I think we're gonna go and take a walk over to Stealth and go and do Stealth now. So, let's go! 3, 2, 1, go, go, go! Just coming out of the arcade as well, and they have removed the misters from down here in front of Tidal Wave. Tidal Wave on a 5-minute queue. But yeah, I wonder if this is where the scare zone is going to be, but at the moment there's no work happening over here. Detonator on a delayed opening. Alright, Stealth, here we come. Ah, here we go, here goes Stealth. 30-minute queue for Stealth. Why not? Well, oh, how nice does the swarm look in the sun as well. Yep, let's join the back of this queue and we'll see you when we come up. Right guys, there is something you don't see every day. That is the maintenance crews working on detonator. Standing up there in the cage. Bringing the ride down. That'd be so cool to stand up there. Oh, there's it up there. Hidden behind the post. Lift going down. Next floor, basement. Here we go guys, we're at the station now. Right guys, we are just outside Rumba Rapids, which is now closed for the season, but it does say returning in 2026, so who knows what date it will come back on, but the trough's all been emptied. Right, you can see all the mechanics. Flip the camera around by mistake. Flip it. Nemesis going around behind us. But let's head over and have a look at the construction of the Crows of Morecambe Meadow. Let's go. Right guys, so we're just heading back towards to go and have a look at the Crows of Morecambe Meadow. But I think it would be rude not to do this as we're passing by it. There we go, let's jump on here and see what row we get before we head down that way to the Crows of Morecambe Meadow. Oh, doesn't she look so good in the sun? No, it's dropped down to 50, so yeah, you can definitely tell the queue is a lot shorter now. But yeah, let's jump on and have a go, see what row we get. Our next go is on row 8. Definitely a lot busier than it was earlier when we were in the station. It's like we're missing the train though. Oh, there it is. Right guys, as we head towards the Crows of Morecambe Meadow to go and check out the construction there, oh, we passed by this very sorry looking ride, Samurai. Whoops. Not opening all day and hasn't been open for quite a while, so hopefully they resume the problem very soon and we get Samurai back up in operation. But if this is the end of Samurai, what would you guys like to see in its place? I have heard a bit of a rumour that maybe Monkey Swingers from Chesington is coming over to Thorpe Park, so if it is the end of Samurai, I hope it's not, considering that they've just done all the repaint and completely refurbished the whole entire ride, that we're not losing this fantastic ride. But yeah, what would you like to see in Samurai's place if it is its end? Comment down below. Why have we got the sound of running water and birds playing out of the speakers? Oh, looks like Saw the Rider's just broken down. There's people stuck on the brake run. Won't catch me on there, but yeah, how weird is that? Them sound effects.
They have that playing with the park shot they do in this area. I think it's to stop the birds from going into the station.
Right, let's have a look at our first angle from the crows. Oh, can't really see much from this angle, but they have completely changed it. So now the barn that was sort of over in this area last year has now been moved all the way down the back. So we're going to have a walk down past Colossus and see what we can see as we head past Colossus. Alright guys, we are now down in the middle of Colossus as Colossus goes over the top. So yeah, we can now see down here into what they're doing. Right, they've completely changed the layout. But by the looks of it, there's going to be a lot more fencing to go in. Seems like they've spent a bit of money on the crows this year. Telehandlers down there and everything. I really cannot wait for the crows. We've got the water butt over there. Alright, let's head down and have a look at it from the other way. Sorry if my camera goes a little bit blurry. Every time I zoom out past 1%, where I've smashed the camera lens on the front, so every time I zoom out past 1%, it goes blurry like this. So I've literally just got to make sure that I keep it on 1% to get the correct colour for you guys. Definitely a day for sunscreen. Right, you can't see much from this angle because they clearly haven't finished the exit yet. But look at some of these throwbacks. We've got the Curse. We've got 7. Dead End Terror Zone. I think that was like a Walking Dead scare zone. Then we got the Saw Alive Horror Maze, which is slowly sinking. But we're just here at the side of Stitches, and we've noticed they've put some new like vinyl along the side of the building. So I don't know if you can see that. It says the Walk-in Farmers Market, so that's to do with Walk-in Meadows. And then if you head down here, you got Lucifer's Games. With a nod to Fright Night. Then we have Super Sparks Rental, which is obviously the Super Sparks Cinema, with some references to what they do. 8 dolls. And then you have all this. Look, even Jack managed to get his Silkstone event on the poster here. How cool is that? Yeah, we've got the old Hyperia playset there for Exodus. The Amity High School and Lucifer's Lair. So most of the props have now been placed in. So So just having a look at the front facade. I can't wait for this to return. Still got a few bits and pieces to do, so I think that's from the the main sign entrance as well. We've got an emergency exit. Could that be the exit this year? And they've just redesigned it a little bit. Yep, throwback to Angry Birds Land, TNT. Yep, but the front of the Emporium is coming on nicely. So we're going to head round over there now and see if there's anything we can see from that side. Got Vortex as well. They added new smoke effects this year, so hopefully in Fright Night it's going to look really cool. So, unlike in previous years, they've actually fenced off this whole entire area. Are they the exit doors, or could we see ourselves coming out through a container this year?
I think the exit's on the other side.
Yeah, I think they may have changed it around a little bit. Oh, Hyperia doing its outer bank over there. What a great shot that was. Perfect timing, as they say. So I think there's only one area left for us to go and have a look at. I don't think you can get much from there, but we're still going to head over there and have a look. And that is survival games. I keep zooming out too far. Right, let's head over to survival games. Walking down into the swarm area, it is so nice to see the mist effect back working again. We probably won't be able to see much, but here we go to survival games. Yeah, can't see a lot. All the branding back up again. Apparently there's a slightly different storyline this year, so who knows. What is it? Some parts down there. That looks like a water pump for something. Not sure what that is down there. Oh, that's my sort of bin. Metal waste only. But yeah, not a lot here to see for survival games, but I've been told they have changed the story a little bit, so only time will tell. Right guys, I think it'd be rude if we didn't have a go on the fish. Oh, I remember back when I used to operate this ride, I used to sit right there in the op cabin. I used to give it. Who remembers back in 2019 when you had a very loud ride operator who used to shout "bubble, bubble" through the microphone? Comment down below if you remember that, because that was me sat there in that hot box. Right, let's get on the fish. Let's go. Right, we're actually in the extension queue line. Just down here in the mega store looking at some of the new merch, but we've got new snow globes. We've got a stealth one, tyre as the base, which is quite cool. You got a saw one. And then you've got a swarm one as well, and of course the Hyperia one. What other rides would you like to see made into snow globe? Because they're pretty cool. And then the new stealth resins are quite nice. I don't know if they're new or not, but doesn't have a date on the year it was made. It does say 2025 on it, so yeah, they do look very cool. We've now got umbrellas as well. Thorpe Park umbrellas, quite cool. Saw. Oh, the lovely jumpers. I've got this one here. Right guys, back on Hyperia, and we have row 6. Right guys, that concludes another video here from Thorpe Park. I've had a great couple of hours this morning. Only popped in for a little bit. I'm off to Alton Towers next weekend. I've got a water park event, so I cannot wait for that as well. And guys, recently in the last couple of weeks, we actually hit 400 subscribers. So I'd like to just say a massive thank you to everyone that has subscribed and watched the videos that I've made. I hope you really have enjoyed them. For anyone who isn't subscribed, hit that subscribe button down at the bottom. I'd really appreciate it and help me out. Right, from me to you, I'll see you on the next park. Goodbye.